1000 Minds decision-making and content analysis software now features an AI assistant to kickstart your work. Building a 1000 Minds model is a breeze with just a few clicks, allowing you to get started in minutes. All you need to do is enter a few words about what you want to compare, and the assistant generates suggestions for you. 1000 Minds' commitment to AI safety best practices means you're in the driver's seat every step of the way. You can easily review and modify AI suggestions and adapt them to your needs. When you finish reviewing all the suggestions, answer the trade-off questions to teach 1000 Minds your preferences. Unlike solely AI-based decision-making, 1000 Minds combines valid and reliable criteria and your own personal judgments, creating a fully auditable, defensible, and refinable decision model that everyone can trust. Ready to supercharge your decision-making and content analysis? Try 1000 Minds today.